Hello YouTube. Today we are at the abandoned Appalachian Technology Services computer and repair store. It's been abandoned for a year and a half. Today is our first time ever going to be inside abandoned business. Since we have company in there, we're going inside. Take a look. See what's in store. Wow. It's currently being worked on. Wow. This place has been only closed for a year and a half. Oh, okay. This is so cool. They've been working on this for a couple of days now. Kind of like the design of the building. As you can see, power is still running. But it looks like that this exterior building. I'm joined by Kevin. I'm gonna try to get him off camera. He's on camera, but moving back here, you got a storage supply. At one point this was a restaurant, and at one point this was also a bar, and for that, car register, something like that, center. Bathroom. Well, the toilet ain't smashed, but we got some power. The water runs. I mean, just wow. Ceiling's starting to, I think you can see the insulation, can't you? But the light looks like it's gonna be converted to something like that. And here's a screwdriver and all this stuff we've been working on for the past couple of days. Now we'll get out of here. Let's get out of here. I need to get my Coca-Cola drink. Then I'll be back in there. Alright, but that's it. The Appalachian Tech Service computer store. You got to see inside of it. Thank you for watching.